G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Cooling down on the bike for a bit just to have a good workout with my sons. Today we're talking about everything boils down to what it is that you're going to do in live time. So addressing the topic of live trading, back testing, setups, and understanding exactly getting the penny to drop in what your trading business is really about. A few comments, messages, topics, questions related to topics that I'll try and address in this video. And one is, one from a trader who said, well, we've never really seen you do a live trade, but your concepts seem valid. And that's a good point. And one of the things that I reiterate with that is that another trader messaged in the same stream of comments saying that, he had a really good trade. I think it was NASDAQ. He shorted NASDAQ and then lost it all later trying to buy the low back. So understanding you could have the perfect entry exit system. And again, knowing when to apply it, when you can put size on. Great question again. When do I size in? I size in on parabolic setups. Parabolic setups are coils that build up. And I talk about this. Larger consolidations are what build up explosive moves. When you get a consolidation that sets up for a parabolic move, you can size in, add in positions as it's about to accelerate and explode. Now I've gone over those. We can address those again as well. But the real penny needs to drop about this misperception about seeing a live trade, because there are different variables and different setups. But how you execute will depend on, as I talk about, your process, your mindset, your approach, your preparation, your daily routine. Because you could go to the screen and watch somebody trade live, but if you don't understand, you'll sit there and keep asking questions because your mindset is retail. You've read books, you think you have an understanding, but if you had the understanding, you wouldn't be searching for more. It's not more, it's less. It's knowing when to pick the moment to strike based on a setup. And then, as this other trader mentioned, knowing that taking the money and walking away. Because if you're buying, trying to come back later and keep trading, it's because you don't understand the concept yet. That setup that you take, if it's a repeatable, scalable, rinse and repeat opportunity, it's about growing your trading business, not trying to chase more pips. Chasing pips is what does all the damage, and that's what they want you to do. That's the retail trainings. Buy and sell on this crossover, or buy the low and this pullback and liquidity hunt and all these other things. Pick one thing, master it. If it's a rinse and repeat setup, you can use it in your trading business and grow your trading account. And then psychologically understand to execute a flawlessly perfect setup, lock in the money, and walk away. Choose your window of time that you're going to trade. Asia, London, New York. You could be trading in the gap time, but understand what your setups are going to be in the gap time. Because there are setups in the gap time based on certain things. So unless specifically you know exactly what you're doing, you could watch all the live there's a lot of live trading channels on YouTube. And I'm going to suggest at this point you've probably already gone and watched them. But you didn't like that. Now, it's not about watching somebody live, it's about having the setups and the process to identify the pairs that are in that window that are setting up, and then executing on the ones that complete the patterns. Execute, manage your risk. Is it a 1-star, 3-star? So great question again. That has to do with the size of risk on the trade. 1-star, 3-star, 25, 30% max size. 3-star, maybe 40, depending on the type of setup, the day and the week, the template, the timing. 5-star, that's a 3 levels all-in parabolic setup for, maybe on the oil, a $3 move, maybe more. Maybe on the indexes, it could be 500, 700 pip move. So watching and then actually though comprehending the mechanism behind the setup, right, and then repeating that and not trying to call the high and call the low and catch the swings and all these other things and have all these things going. Master some certain things. What's your trading business about? What is it? What are the setups that your trading business is going to be built on? So when that drops, you're going to get the aha moment. And the aha moment will be where now you start to see that you have setups that are designed around certain criteria in the week, the day. You're going to nail and bail. You're going to ride it from high to low or low to high. You're going to hit a trend trade, or you're going to be in a 3-day parabolic setup for an explosive 100-pip move that's over in 25 minutes. So if you want somebody to sit there through each setup and explain every little detail, how will that make you better if you're already there now trading? If you're trading, what are you doing? What is it that you're doing? I mean, if there's no edge, what are you doing? Don't even just stop trading. So once that penny drops, the rest of the picture comes together. Hopefully you got value from today's video, traders. I'm going to watch the rest of the football game today and had a great workout. A little bit chilly here in Canada this morning. We had a big full morning. Lots happening here. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Keep getting better. 1% better every single day is a massive, massive change in your trading business. Have a great day.